Hello, I'm Santosh Reddy, working as immigration lawyer in Pune city. And today's query is whether one can apply for both PR visas at a time. It means whether a person can apply for Canadian PR visa and Australian PR visa at a time. My answer to this would be yes, you can surely apply for both PR visas at a time, and there are certain reasons like why I'm saying that you should apply for both PR visas at a time. First reason is that see, all these PR visa processes, these are complicated processes. There is a possibility that you might not be successful in particular visa process due to changes in immigration policy of that particular country. So you are starting some process today, immigration policy changed, and as a result of that you are not in a position to get the PR visa for that country. So if you have some backup option, you have already applied for two countries, maybe you are not getting PR visa for one country and you have been successful in other application. So job is done, at the end of the day you will be in a position to migrate to that country. This is one possibility. Another possibility is that you are applying for both PR visas at a time and you have been successful in getting PR visa for Australia as well as Canada. So you have now got PR visa for both countries. Then also it's perfectly fine. What is the legal requirement? Once you get your PR visa, there is a kind of obligation upon you to maybe reside, to live and work in that particular country for certain period of time. So in case of Australia, you get a visa for 5 years initially, which can be extended further for lifetime. So initial visa 5 years. If you live in that country for 2 years out of 5 years, then you will be in a position to extend your visa for a duration of further 5 years, right? So in this scenario, you are getting PR visa for Australia, maybe you are migrating to Australia, living there for 2 years, and then you can shift to Canada. Again, as per Canadian regulations, initially you will get the visa for 5 years, and out of 5 years you will have to live there in Canada for 2 years, and then you will be in a position to extend your visa for further 5 years. So again, when I say 2 years, it is not 2 years in continuation. You need not stay there 2 years in continuation. It should be, I would say, 365 days into 2. So if you live there for this much of duration, you will be in a position to maybe get an extension of PR visa, and if you manage your 5 years in this particular way, then you will be in a position to continue with your Canadian PR visa as well as Australian PR visa. So both visas can be kept valid. There is another reason why I advise this particular thing to most of my clients. It is always possible that your occupation is in demand for a particular country. Maybe there is huge scope for your skills in particular country at this point of time. However, maybe after 2 years or 3 years, maybe your occupation, your skills are not demanded in that particular country and there are huge opportunities in other country. So as a result of that, you are looking that opportunity is in another country, and if you have PR visa for both countries, you can explore that opportunity and you can shift from one country to another country. I have several clients who migrated to Canada initially, and maybe their occupation initially was in demand. After 2-3 years there was not much demand for their occupation, and then they shifted to Australia, and vice versa as well. So at the end of the day, you can get that flexibility to shift from one country to another country, and you can avail all the opportunities in another country as well, if you have PR visas for both countries. So legally there is no hurdle. You will be in a position to get PR visa for both countries. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.